Hi guys, it's Charlotte here from Hills to show you this absolutely beautiful 2 double bedroom apartment here in the heart of Ellesmere Park on Ellesmere House. So as we enter the property, we've got this welcoming entrance hallway. We have a storage cupboard to the right here and also the intercom, which allows obviously access into the property from downstairs. First up, we have this beautiful master bedroom. Loads of room in here. Wardrobes, and then also has built-in wardrobes through here and access into the ensuite, which has a walk-in shower. And then coming back round into the second double room. And then across from here we have the main bathroom. A nice modern room. And then the best part about this apartment is this absolutely beautiful living space. So there's a gorgeous bay window with a double Juliet balcony which overlooks the communal areas outside. And then also the modern fitted kitchen over here. The property will come with no vendor chain. Like I said, it's situated in the heart of Ellesmere Park, walking distance just to Monton High Street with all of the bars and restaurants. Fantastic links to the motorways into Manchester city centre. Properties like this don't come up often in this area. So if you are interested in viewing the property, do give the office a call and the team can arrange a viewing for you. Thank you.